Hello everybody, I have changed my background to a sad little pug. I made a lightning storm on top. I literally spent 30 minutes on it. But this is the torso, this is the head, this is the trail, and I had to do like measurements of how high I stab it, but I tried my best with a pencil, a microphone, and a YouTube sign. Also, I put this because you can't really see the little ribbon on my torso. But, yeah, it's a going down on that. Well, I'm gonna make a lot more later. Oh, Hannah, what are you on? Hannah! Hannah! Oh, and she's dead. No, Nyan Cat, this is based off one of my favorite Pop-Tarts. It's the chocolate fudge, torso, head, background, which is sprinkle, body thing, it's kind of boring, and then the cake is just like, yeah, I'll be back. Alright, new cat. It's a mariachi, and, as you can see, I'm broke. I am broke from getting 9 cats, but I'm gonna make one that looks like my actual cat now. Hannah, not again! Hannah! 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 Hannah, you are Hannah! Stop drinking! Hannah, stop! Please, Hannah! Oh, Hannah. What do we do about this? How am I gonna break it to Lightning Star that you're on drugs? Hannah, how do I tell this to Lightning Star that you're on drugs? Hannah! Hannah! Hannah, you are Hannah. Thank God, Hannah. Lightning Star, I'm sorry, your child is on drugs. It's not my fault, please. What are you teaching her at home? Oh, no. Okay, this isn't that bad. This isn't that bad. Not that bad. Oh, no. If you guys want to try this game... Hannah, stop. If you guys want to try this game, it's 9 Cat Lost in Space. And at one point, you do start paying to make Nyan.